All right, welcome to Pioneer FX. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been some time. I do apologize since I've been live. So yeah, welcome back. So yeah, just a quick update really as to where we are. We are in a sort of a medium to high volatile environment. So the markets are at the moment going a bit haywire. So do bear that one in mind. To the side. So yeah, volatility at the moment is on the medium, pushing towards the high end. Future reports are buying. So hence the reason why we started to see the price of gold push up and also a sell-off with some of the major currencies. In terms of fundamentals, still looking for maintaining EURUSD shorts as well as UJ. But do bear in mind with regards to UJ, they have increased their interest rates. They have increased the interest rates there. So it looks like JPY is buying, but fundamentally speaking, we do see some weakness there for the yen. However, the only side effect to that is the increase in interest rates. Yeah, screen. So let's dive into the interest rate and see where we are. So overview interest rates for the yen on trading economics. There you can see there the interest rate decision from a negative 0.1 to a 0%, which is a 0.1 increase. So you're starting to see some form of positivity there in terms of the interest rate. So back towards this fundamentals ranking. So still looking for this upcoming week, EURUSD short and USD yen long, but do bear in mind the yen interest rate change, which has slightly affected it. Volatility pushing up, pushing higher. So do be careful whilst you are positioning your long-term trades. So with that being said, let's dive back onto the charts. Like I did mention, volatility is pushing up. It has increased there towards 22, push back down to around the 19. So where is volatility due to be heading? Long term, we're looking for potential shorts. However, targeting around about the 15 mark. Moving over to the 4-hourly, around about 15 looks ideal, but we could see it pushing higher. Large speculators are speculating it to push higher. So we could potentially see a big push up towards 21 again, perhaps. So we could see it pushing. About there. 21, 22, that should be potentially taken out. It's in a strong bullish momentum. Most traders are potentially looking left. They can see that this resistance has been broken. So we could potentially see price settle back down towards 17 or 18, perhaps, and push back up again. So I am expecting to see some further increase there. In terms of volatility, yes, but long term, looking for it to push back down towards 15 or settle down towards 15, I should say. Spend some time. There we are. So one more spike to the upside, I would suggest. And then target 15. So with that being said, that's volatility. Let's delve onto EURUSD. You can see here massive decline. We've been selling this since the start of 2024. So where were we in the start of 2024 here? Price was sort of consolidated here, took out the sellers, and then pushed down for an overall of around 300 pips. So what am I expecting to see now is, looking at it from a full hourly perspective, volatility could push this one back up again towards these highs. There. Perhaps just there. And then just zooming out to see where we are from previous price action. So like I said, volatility could potentially push this one back up to the highest. Expecting a retracement of such towards these highs, and then perhaps pushing further down. So that's what I'm expecting to see. That's EURUSD. Yeah, it's looking good for retracement. For gold, you can see here, due to obviously volatility pushing up, gold has just massively gone toward the upside. 2385. Looking at 2385. Could easily see gold push down in the future. But 2025 or 2024 is the long-term target, I would suggest. Let's look over to the daily. Massive bullish run since the start of this year. Surprisingly, I was expecting to see it come towards 1881. Even lower than that, but obviously due to the war and what's going on around in now Iran and Israel, this thing just skyrocketed. But yeah, long-term target 1870. So do keep a close eye on this one. However, looking at the COT report for this trading, on the COT report, I don't think there's much of a difference there for gold. Let's have a look. Obviously, volatility was the main reason why this commodity pushed up. You can see here clearly, since the start of this year, it's pushed down and pushed up ever so slightly, but there isn't much of a difference there. So this is all in all due to obviously what's going on around the world, which pushed up gold. So looking for potential shorts here on gold. It has hit 2400 psychological level. Could it give us another spike towards 2464 in that area of some sort? But I'm expecting for it to push down definitely towards 2025. Retracement to spike it up once more, then a push down. You can see these spikes here, spike. Could we get another spike? and then meltdown. That could be it. UJ, look at that bullish run there. For UJ, pushed up nicely there. Could we get a retracement? Perhaps. Not anytime soon. But there is some form of liquidity sitting there towards these lows. 141, which hasn't been tapped. Yeah, so at the moment you can see it's just consolidated in terms of what the financial bankers are doing at this present time. We see that the dollar is actually consolidated. So going back into trading store and looking at the dollar, it's last time I checked consolidated. You see that? So there's not much movement. You can see it's just constant, it's just up and down, spiking down, spiking up. But there's plenty of spikes to the downside here. Expecting to see some further development, i.e. price to push up towards 155. So with that being said, I'm just going to leave it here. Volatility is pushing up. UJ could perhaps see it push up to towards 155. Gold, expecting to see a major meltdown once volatility starts to push back down again. EURUSD could see a major retracement coming in before continuing to push further down, or it could just push down from these levels because there's a lot of liquidity sitting below 1.0595. Take care, guys. Have a pleasant week, and I shall see you guys at some stage during this week. Take care. Bye for now.